These highly visual images are generated in Facebook's Meta AI image generation. It's incredible. Like you can see on the Facebook and upload section, if you go, there is an option of AI images. Let's see. Let's play how much quality images, how quality images this Facebook's own inbuilt image generation can generate. Like, can it give better quality than other AI image generators? I'm using this copy paste. I'm not using the regular prompts. I used highly detailed prompt. See the quality. See, oh, this is amazing. Like for free and on the upload section, if I can just put a prompt, a good prompt, I can also save images. You can see it generated almost 6 images. Whichever I like the most perfect one, I can use that. I can select that. It will come. I can use caption, whatever caption I need. You can see the details. Like it's so good. It's for free. It's good. Let's see another prompt. I'm just testing how this image generation creates images, what quality images it gives. Like I'm using another prompt. Let's see this one. Fucking god, man. This is absolutely brilliant. For free, inbuilt social media AI image generator, this is perfect. Uh, see the detailing. You can also change the colors, like basic upload section options, edit image if you want to remove the Meta AI logo. This is best. People who have created AI pages, AI profile on Facebook, this is very easy. Like you can generate prompt from ChatGPT or any other. Like this one I have generated highly cyber city prompt. You can see every time whichever prompt you use, it will generate 6 images. This one also, it's highly detailed. You can see, I'll click on the image. You can see the helicopter, the city, the car. But you can generate these images. It's like a lot of images. There's no limit here. See these generated images. I used this prompt for like mountain, a person standing on a mountain. But you need a highly quality prompt, not a basic prompt. Say this riding one moon. You can these prompts are like you can go to ChatGPT, you can ask it create 6 prompts that I can use to generate images, and Facebook inbuilt image generation, highly at detailed prompt, not just easy. See the image quality. Go have fun.